Advanced London is fully funded by the European Regional Development Fund and the London Waste and Recycling Board to help and advise small businesses to make the most of the circular economy. A circular economy is a more efficient and environmentally sound alternative to the traditional take, make and dispose linear economy. It is one that designs waste out of the system, keeps resources in use for as long as possible and extracts the maximum value from them, and then recovers and regenerates products and materials at the end of their life. Design thinking is a structured and practical way of conducting research and can be used by businesses to deep dive into the environmental challenges they are trying to solve by intimately understanding their customer personas, customer journey and pain points. That way they can design out waste and keep materials in use for as long as possible at their highest value, but deliver their solutions in a way that resonates with their customers and helps drive behaviour and systems change and really make an impact and help grow a circular economy in London.
Hi, my name is Sibs. I'm the Consumer Insight Analyst for a startup baby food brand called Little Freddy. We are the UK's leading brand when it comes to sustainable, fully recyclable baby food pouches. Today's been particularly excellent for learning about new ways to bring the consumer back into the boardroom when we're talking about product and concept development. But also moreover than that is especially around eco-consciousness and understanding what that means to consumers and how we can actually embed that at the very beginning into product development.
Hi, I'm Rob. I'm the founder of Chipsboard. It's a biomaterial innovation company that turns food waste into bioplastics and bioplastic composites. These materials allow designers to continue to create amazing things, but when these items have reached the end of their life, they can be recycled and repurposed to really be in a true circular system. Events like this today within design thinking are really helpful because it's very easy as a founder to be tunnel vision as to looking at, okay, we've come up with a solution, everyone's going to want to use our solution. But events like this really allow us to step back and look at the customer and make sure that what we are creating is customer focused.
My name is Martha Silcott. I'm the CEO and inventor of Fab Little Bag, which is a unique sanitary disposal bag for tampons, pads and condoms. Well, interestingly enough, with regards to circular economy, we do have a partnership at the moment with PHS, who do collect sanitary waste, and then through their life cycle program they convert that waste into refuse-derived fuel. So then you're taking sanitary waste and making it into electricity. Yeah, so design thinking has helped me as a very kind of solution-orientated person to kind of step back a bit and to always reverse almost your thinking and to start with the consumer challenge and to then go through a slightly more methodical process than I would naturally have.
So I'm Clémence Bernard Colomba. I'm the PR manager for Loop. Loop has been initiated by TerraCycle, and it's an e-commerce platform that has been designed to reduce waste. Loop enables consumers to purchase everyday products delivered in durable and reusable containers that can be washed, reused and refilled. And design thinking, I think, can really help us understanding of consumers better, because Loop has just been launched as a pilot and we really need to understand what our consumers want and have some insightful feedback from them. So I think design thinking will really help us understanding them better.
So my name is Amber Numamoto and I work for Oppo Brothers, and we make healthy, indulgent ice cream and desserts. And right now we are researching and developing more sustainable packaging that can be used time and time again. And design thinking and this event has really helped us and me think of new innovative ways to for a route to market with our process.
Hi, my name is Sabina Sokoli and I'm the founder of Caravan Blockchain. The original idea was to help companies use blockchain facing financial difficulties when it comes to implementing the circular economy model to gain access to funding via the cryptocurrency model offered by blockchain technology. Today's workshop has been instrumental and invaluable for our MVP and business proposition, and I look forward to more workshops in the future and applying it to our customer offering.